You know, I'm staring on this laptop from like about 5 minutes and I can't figure it out why this laptop has a camera there. I mean, what's the point? Hello. So we are back. But this time we have a laptop to fix. But first, I don't understand why we have the camera there. So the camera is exactly flat with the case. I mean, what is supposed to happen? Is supposed to the picture to reflect from the screen, or how the camera can work like that? If you have the answer, just let me know on chat. But this is sick. Or either I'm stupid, or that camera is meant for something else. Ah, sorry. Oh, I can see a camera here. I can see a camera here, but this one for what it is? To take picture of my ceiling or video or what? What's the purpose of that one? Leave me a comment, please. Yeah. So this is an i5 A-Gen laptop. It's a Dell one. It looks like a nice laptop, and it's a job from the other shop where I work. It's a Dell Latitude 3310 2-in-1. What 2-in-1 means? This is not a tablet, right? No, it's not a tablet. No, it's a laptop. Weird and strange, okay? Now, the problem with this one, we have the charger plugged in and we have no light, you can see. And if we are pressing the power button, let's press the power button. Comes on, you can see. No picture. And goes off, you can see. That's all what it's doing. And obviously no charging, nothing. But if we are checking the charger, one second. So check on the screen, we have 19.6, you can see. So the charger is good, so the laptop is faulty. Now let's open this laptop quickly and try to fix it. Let's see what can be the problem. I mean, the fact actually is coming on and goes off can be a discharged battery, right? What I'm thinking is why it's not charging. Yeah, that's my concern right now. Why this laptop is not charging. So what do we know? We know the 19 volts power rail is present. We know the 3.3 is present because the laptop is coming on and you press the power button. But for some reason this laptop is not charging. And that's the laptop inside. I don't know what's that. I suppose some liquid damage. I mean, it looks okay, right? You know what? I can see those stickers was never took out. So let's try a reset first. Yeah, let's unplug the BIOS battery. Let's unplug the main battery. Yeah, no one opened this laptop, which is strange because it's coming from a computer shop. So we unplug the battery, we unplug the BIOS battery. We can connect them back. Yeah, let's connect back the BIOS battery and the main battery. And now let's come with the charger. And it's still nothing. No light. Pressing the power button, let's try. And still nothing, it's switching off. Now, what do we need to do first? First, we need to figure it out where is the problem. So the laptop is switching off because let's say the charger circuit is broken, the power input. but the battery is low, and that's the reason why it's coming on and goes off or has another fault. So what I will do, I will charge the battery a little bit, just a little bit. Let's see which is plus and minus. Okay, plus is here, has around 10 volts. Let's charge the battery a little bit. The battery is not charging because this is no ground. Oh yeah, so this hole is no ground. And it's still not charging. Why the laptop is not charging? This is the charging port. Minus, plus, and it's not charging. That's insane. Okay, let's plug the charger. Let's try again. Nothing. Okay, let's check the voltage on the board from the charging port. Here is the charging connector. From the charging connector we have nothing. I can't see the pins. I believe the plus is here. We have nothing. Wait. So actually this is a charging port issue? Because looks fine. I mean, you know, usually when a charging port is broken, you can see it's broken, but not this one. Let's come with the power supply, 19. Yeah. Ground plus. And it's taking 10 milliamps. Yeah, we don't have the charger ID pin. But I can plug the charger, 1 second. I think we can provide that charger ID pin. Yeah, plug that one. And try again. Yeah, I full it. I full the laptop, the board or not? 170 milliamps, 118 goes to 0. And I have the orange light flashing here. You can see here. I mean, clearly it's a charging port issue here. The battery is not charging for some reason. I mean, I can understand the reason, you know. So in order to charge the battery has to speak with the IO chip, the IO chip with the power management chip, and so on. But you know what? The charging port, I can't see any any output voltage. Now, of course, it's very simple and very easy to order another charging port, but we have no satisfaction, like we fix something, yeah? So let's try and fix this one instead of buying another one. What do you think? Can we get some, you know, okay, let me, I mean, I'm curious what can be faulty here because it's not broken. So that's the charging port. Let's have a look inside. I believe here is some, you see, it is some liquid damage here on the connectors. It's not on the board, yeah? So I believe same thing happened to the charging port. But let's have a look inside. And the microscope on. Let's wait for the microscope. 1 second. 1 second. Come on. Yeah. Okay, it's on. Now we can see some things inside of the port, yeah? But every pin is right here, yeah? So we have the charger ID pin. I can see the pin from here, yeah? Then we have those pins, yeah, which are quite inside. Yeah, this can be an issue here. These ones, you can see them. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Then we have the ground, but the ground pins, look how many ground pins are here. So what do I want to do? I want to pull that thing out. I can't do it with this one. I need some force there. Yeah, like that. Look what it's on that pin, you can see. You see some things on the pin. Let's clean it. Looks okay. Let's test it one more time. Let's test it one more time. Yeah, now let's plug the charger. And I believe the charger is working. Look, I have the orange light. Stable, it's not flickering. You can see? The battery is charging, let's see. Here and here. 12.4, 20, 25, 27, 20, 30, and it's going up. That means it's charging. So the laptop is coming on. Let's see. Pressing the power button. The laptop is on. Let's wait. We reset the BIOS, you remember? I can see the blue light here, so the laptop is on. I'm curious if the laptop will start. It should start because it was a charging port issue, right? Yeah, I can feel the processor warm. You think this has a different fault? The laptop is on. Clearly the laptop is on. Yeah, it has the RAM memory there. Oh, it's working! It's working! You can see? I'm saying the time and date, and yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, continue. Yeah, it's loading the windows. Okay, that's fine. Wow! So you see a laptop which looks very bad. I mean, if someone will tell me, sorry, look, I have a laptop, it's coming on and it's staying a few seconds on, then it's going off, and I plug the charger and I can't see any light on the charger, this looks like a bad fault. But the truth is, I think this is a cheap laptop. It's not supposed for the laptop to start if it has a low battery. But still, the laptop, it will start with a low battery, then it will shut down the power. And it, it'll make you feeling, okay, this is a loop thing, pressing the power button on, off. But actually, the only problem was the charging port. You can see here has some, I don't know, some thing, some liquid, yeah? So probably that thing goes on the charging port. Now you can see the charging light. So now it's charging fine. Yeah, you can see the charging sign on the screen. So it's working fine. Okay, so I'll stop this video, but this is just a good example how a very bad looking job, because this was sent here, sorry, this is a motherboard fault, but actually it's just a dirty charging port. We replaced nothing, we just clean a little bit and bent that pin. That pin was really looking inside. I mean, that was the plus pin, yeah? So the grounds was fine. You can see 3 grounds, yeah? The middle pin was still okay, but that was not our concern. Our concern was missing 19 volts. And missing 19 volts was that pin which I pulled out, okay? Just keep in mind. Who knows when you'll have this kind of problem. And again, it's easy, just to order another charging port. But the feeling, you have that, I fix it, without replacing. I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.